Welcome to our generous channel. If you intend to buy a drone, then this video is for you. We offer you 3 types with the advantages of each type, and their prices are very reasonable. Please watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel to receive all new drones with camera. Atop X3 1080p HD drones with camera are more cost-saving compared with other camera. One key to share function of the WFPV app promises convenient uploading of clear photos and live videos to your social media, freeing you from the SD storage worry. Everyone has fantasized about being able to fly, especially young children. The drones with camera for adults and kids are designed and produced for humans' flying dream. As here will come the Halloween and Christmas festivals, there is no reason to let such an ideal Christmas gift for teen girls' gift ideas and teen boys' gift ideas slip away. Multiple remote control methods and one-key operating functions are exclusively designed for beginners. Try voice control when beginners don't know how to control the kid drone. Take photos by V or palm gestures when nobody shoot for you. Press one key returning button to call back the kid drone when you feel a little arm acid. Start headless mode. The forward direction will be the same as the direction when the drone camera took off. Imagine RC drones for adults crash into nowhere because of unexpected low battery. Luckily, X3 remote control drone has low battery warning function to prevent such a danger. To reduce other potential safety hazards, the drone's body is made of durable materials, and meanwhile, broken resistant materials are used for propeller guards to avoid accidental user cutting or drone wearing off. Tizzy Toy Drone with Camera 4K. Tizzy Toy Drone with Camera 4K, drones for adults, Wi-Fi FPV RC quadcopter with gesture control, 3D flip foldable mini drones toys gifts for kids beginners, drone with LED lights, headless mode one key start mode. Tizzy Toy Drone can sense whether there are obstacles in the front side, can intelligently avoid obstacles, 60 meters perception, equipped with LED fill light, infrared obstacle avoidance sensor, can sense the distance of obstacles, and then it will automatically avoid obstacles when encountering obstacles. And the fan blades on the drone are equipped with cool LED lights, let you better know where it is flying. Tizzy Toy Drone has a 4K high-definition camera, which can adjust the angle freely at 90, and has a wide-angle shooting range of 120. The picture is transmitted in real time with the phone app. There is a flat layer camera at the bottom that can be viewed from a bird's eye view. And the lens adopts a new generation of zoom technology, which can be used for 50x zoom shooting through the remote control. Tizzy Toy Drone is very easy to control for children and beginners. It has a one-click takeoff/landing button, which allows beginners to use it easily, and the drone has a hovering system in the air, which is convenient for taking photos or recording videos. Advanced gameplay also have headless mode and high-speed mode, just enjoy it in your own way. Using advanced intelligent object recognition technology, the drone will intelligently recognize and take photos/videos by making corresponding gestures to the drone during the flight. There are buttons on the remote control machine to perform 360 stunts in the air with one button, without cumbersome manipulation. HR Drone for Kids with 1080p HD. HR Drone for Kids with 1080p HD FPV camera mini quadcopter for beginners with altitude hold one key start/land draw path 2 modular batteries remote control toys gifts for boys girls. The mini drone equipped with 1080p HD camera can take aerial photos and videos. With the built-in Wi-Fi module, you can see exactly what your camera sees with a live video on your mobile device by installing the app. Headless mode altitude hold and one key takeoff/landing for easier operation. No need to worry about orientation, and with a simple press on the button your drone will rise to a height or land perfect for beginners. With 2 modular batteries, 20 minutes/battery, you can have 40 minutes of fun time in total. The modular battery is easier to change for kids and safer to charge. You can fly the drone by moving smartphone up or down with gravity sensor enables the drone follow your phone's direction. And the trajectory flight function enables the drone fly along with the path you draw on the phone. The drone is small and can be taken anywhere. 4 protective frames protect you from damage. Feel free to contact us and we are always at your side. Our dedicated customer service representatives will solve your flying problem in time. What are you waiting for? Get these products, very great discounts, through the links in the description, and do not forget to subscribe to receive more offers daily.